I'm Ashley Miller. I teach third grade at Tracy Elementary, and I'm also our third grade department chair. The other day we were racing a dinosaur. We had learned all about how dinosaur footprints are seen by scientists, and they measured close footprints, which would be walking, and the students learned that the longer the stride would mean that a dinosaur could possibly be running. So that's how scientists learn approximately how fast a dinosaur could run. So we went down to the gym to see if we could outrun a dinosaur by taking 8 big steps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They had an absolute blast because what student doesn't want to try to outrun a dinosaur? But they were given partners, and each partner was in charge of counting the 8 steps and putting down the sticky note to measure. And then once the entire class had gone, we had dinosaur footprints that were tied together with a large string to measure out how far certain dinosaurs would go. All mystery science lessons are online, and they're taught by Mystery Doug and his other scientist helpers. The students love Doug. Each lesson starts off with videos and questions to get them interested, and then they all have some sort of hands-on or STEM component with them. This one was running, other ones may involve building something or doing a card sort, but there's always a hands-on activity. So Mystery Science is our science curriculum. It just does not involve your basic science textbook. It's all online, and then it's super easy for teacher prep. We simply just can follow the Mystery Doug video and have all of our materials ready, and he walks us through them in a very simple way. I like how Mystery Science goes from one grade to the next. Kindergarten or first grade is going to learn about life cycles, and then we learn about life cycles again in third grade, but in more depth. So it keeps spiraling. Nothing is over-taught or under-taught. Almost every lesson has some sort of hands-on activity, and most of them involve either a partner or group work. So I think that that's fun, that students get a chance to turn and talk and bounce ideas off each other and work together to either solve a problem or figure something out. Some of the things that they do in science we never did in science as kids. We have one that we build in the spring where they do bridges, and they learn about the different types of bridges, like suspension bridges, and they get a chance to build 3 of them using just 2 pieces of paper and seeing how many pennies each bridge can hold. So every time they actually want the bridge to fail to realize, how can I make it better? They also are very, very engaged. They love when I tell them, okay, we're gonna do science. They like watching Doug himself, and everyone's always very excited too.